Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple tea rinse recipe that will have your hair growing like crazy. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So what you're going to need for this tea rinse recipe is a cup of hot water, some matcha green tea powder, as well as ginger juice. So I'm going to be using bottled organic ginger juice. You could definitely use the actual ginger root itself. I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of matcha green tea to the hot water. And matcha green tea is proven to be effective for hair growth. There is a special substance in matcha green tea known as EGCG that is beneficial for hair growth. EGCG can stimulate cells and the growth of hair follicles, which ultimately leads to faster hair growth. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger juice. Ginger increases the scalp circulation that results in the flow of blood to the scalp. It also stimulates the hair follicles and encourages hair growth. The fatty acids in ginger are beneficial for thin hair. So I'm just going to stir everything up, just make sure that everything is nicely blended. And then I'm just going to put a lid on top of the tea rinse and just wait till it cools down. So this is what the tea looks like after it's cooled down. I'm just going to go ahead and take the tea and run it through a cheesecloth. And then from there, I'm going to place the tea into a spray bottle. So this part is optional. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black castor oil into the spray bottle. And black castor oil helps to moisturize, thicken, strengthen, and rapidly increase hair growth. So when it comes to this hair rinse, you can use it as a leave-in spray or you can use it as a hair rinse. So if you plan on using it as a leave-in spray, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week and just spray it from root to ends and follow up with your favorite hair oil or favorite hair butter to seal in the moisture. If you plan on using it as a hair rinse, I would suggest after either shampooing your hair or deep conditioning your hair as your final rinse, just pour this tea rinse all over your hair. Gently massage the tea into your wet hair and scalp in a circular motion. Allow it to stay in your hair for 15 to 30 minutes. Rinse out with clean, cool water. And this rinse, when not in use, I would suggest placing it in the refrigerator. It should last about 2 to 3 weeks. If you want it to last longer, you could definitely place the tea into the freezer and do the ice tray method. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.